In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep one color in a black and white image using Canva. This is a fantastic way to highlight a specific part of your image and create a striking visual effect that really stands out. Let's walk through each step together. First, you need to visit the Canva website. If you're not already familiar, Canva is a versatile design platform that's perfect for creating everything from social media graphics to presentations. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to log in. You'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to continue the sign-in process. If you've linked your Canva account with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the correct account or follow the on-screen instructions to log in. Once you're all set, go ahead and click Continue. You should now be logged into Canva and ready to start editing your project. Next, navigate to your projects and open the project you'd like to work on. Click on the image you want to edit. In our example, say you want to make everything black and white except the car, which is your subject. Click on the image and it will be highlighted for editing. Now head over to the Edit button, which you'll find on the toolbar. Clicking on Edit will open a new menu with various editing options. From here, look for Adjust. This is where you'll find a range of tools to modify the photo's appearance. In the Adjust section, locate the section labeled Background at the top. It might take a little scrolling depending on your interface. Click on Background to see the editing options. What we're aiming to do here is isolate the color in your image. Under the Color section, you'll want to set the saturation to 0. This change will strip the colors from the background, turning it black and white. The key here is ensuring that only the background loses its color, keeping your subject, such as the car in our example, full of its original vibrant colors. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've dramatically enhanced your image and added a professional touch to your design. You can save your changes and use this visually appealing image in whatever way you see fit, whether it be for a presentation, social media, or any other project. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to explore Canva's other editing features to make your images even more unique and eye-catching. Until next time, happy editing.